Hey everyone, welcome back to another small video. So in this video, I'll show you guys how to clean and lube the drive chain of the Himalayan. The tools you will need are an 8mm T-spanner, a 3-way chain brush, WD-40 or a chain cleaner of your choice, a chain lube, here I am going with the Motul C2, and an old piece of cloth. To begin with, put your bike on saddle stand and loosen the two 8mm bolts of the front sprocket cover with the 8mm T-spanner. Remove the front sprocket cover and keep it aside for now. Start the engine and put on first gear. Spray a decent amount of the chain cleaner on the chain near the rear sprocket. I'm so sorry that I didn't realize me spraying the chain cleaner was out of the frame. Use the chain brush and brush the chain to remove all the debris. You can do this near the rear sprocket side or the middle as shown. Be careful not to get your brush or your fingers anywhere near the spokes. Once that's done, move on to the front sprocket. Spray and brush the front sprocket area as shown. Take an old piece of cloth and wipe the chain clean. Wipe and clean the front sprocket end as well. Thoroughly brush and clean the insides of the front sprocket cover also. Replace the front sprocket cover and tighten it with the 8mm bolts to the right torque. Wipe and clean all the outer surfaces to remove any last remaining debris or slush. And now start the engine and put on first gear. Spray and coat the chain with a decent amount of lube. Pro tip, don't forget to clean your chain brush with WD-40 to remove all the debris from it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. See you next Saturday with another one. Bye bye.